Question number 1. What is the transparent front part of the eye that reflect light? Correct answer is option C, cornea. Question number 2. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Correct answer is option C, iris. Question number 3. What is the light sensitive layer at the back of the eye called? Correct answer is option C, retina. Question number 4. What is the function of the lens in the eye? Correct answer is option B, focusing light on the retina. Question number 5. What is the colored part of the eye? Correct answer is option D, iris. Question number 6. Which structure connects the eye to the brain? Correct answer is option D, optic nerve. Question number 7. What is the jelly-like substance inside the eye called? Correct answer is option C, vitreous humor. Question number 8. What is the role of rods in the retina? Correct answer is option C, low light vision. Question number 9. Which cells in the retina are responsible for color vision? Correct answer is option A, cones. Question number 10. What causes the red eye effect in photographs? Correct answer is option C, light reflecting off blood vessels in the retina. Question number 11. The brain's outer layer is called? Correct answer is option A, cortex. Question number 12. Which cells from the primary building blocks of the brain? Correct answer is option B, neurons. Question number 13. The primary function of the hippocampus is? Correct answer is option B, memory formation. Question number 14. What percentage of the body's oxygen does the brain use? Correct answer is option C, 20%. Question number 15. Which part of the brain acts as a relay station for sensory information? Correct answer is option B, thalamus. Question number 16. The brain stem includes? Correct answer is option B, medulla, pons and midbrain. Question number 17. What protects the brain from physical damage? Correct answer is option A, cerebrospinal fluid. Question number 18. The parietal lobe is responsible for? Correct answer is option B, sensory processing. Question number 19. Broca's area is primarily associated with? Correct answer is option B, speech production. Question number 20. Wernicke's area is responsible for? Correct answer is option A, speech comprehension. Question number 21. The brain is primarily composed of? Correct answer is option B, neurons and glial cells. Question number 22. Which part of the brain is responsible for hunger and thirst regulation? Correct answer is option A, hypothalamus. Question number 23. What is the primary function of the amygdala? Correct answer is option B, emotional response. Question number 24. Which of the following protects the brain from harmful substance? Correct answer is option B, blood-brain barrier. Question number 25. The brain communicates with the rest of the body via. Correct answer is option B, spinal cord and nerves. Question number 26. The area of the brain responsible for higher cognitive function like decision making is. Correct answer is option B, prefrontal cortex. Question number 27. The right hemisphere of the brain is typically associated with. Correct answer is option B, creativity and spatial ability. Question number 28. Which neurotransmitter is crucial for muscle movement? Correct answer is option B, acetylcholine. Question number 29. How many cranial nerves originate from the brain? Correct answer is option B, 12. Question number 30. What is the gap between two neurons called? Correct answer is option C, synapse. Question number 31. What part of the eye bends light to focus it on the retina? Correct answer is option C, lens. Question number 32. What is presbyopia? Correct answer is option C, age-related loss of near vision. Question number 33. What is the fovea? Correct answer is option B, center of the macula for sharp vision. Question number 34. What is the main cause of color blindness? Correct answer is option C, deficiency in cones. Question number 35. Which disease is associated with damage to the retina due to diabetes? Correct answer is option C, diabetic retinopathy. Question number 36. What is the medical term for an infection of the conjunctiva? Correct answer is option B, conjunctivitis. Question number 37. What is the name of the reflex that protects the eye from bright light? Correct answer is option C, pupillary light reflex. Question number 38. What are floaters in vision usually caused by? Correct answer is option C, particles in the vitreous humor. Question number 39. What is the function of tear glands? Correct answer is option B, lubricating and protecting the eye. Question number 40. What is the white outer layer of the eye called? Correct answer is option C, sclera.